Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom before 30? The average American has a net worth of $40,000 at age 30. But what if you could build a net worth of $100,000 before 30? It's possible with the right strategy and discipline. In this video, we'll show you how to achieve this goal. First, let's start with the basics of net worth. Net worth is the total value of your assets minus your liabilities. Assets include your savings, investments, and property. Liabilities include your debts, such as credit card balances and loans. To build a net worth of $100,000, you need to focus on increasing your assets and decreasing your liabilities. One way to do this is by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. You can use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, such as rent and utilities. Use 30% for discretionary spending, such as entertainment and hobbies. And put 20% towards saving and debt repayment. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month, you would allocate $2,000 towards necessary expenses, $1,200 towards discretionary spending, and $800 towards saving and debt repayment. Another way to build wealth is by investing in the stock market. Historically, the stock market has provided an average annual return of 7 to 8%. This means that if you invest $1,000 today, it could be worth $1,070 in 1 year. Over time, this can add up to significant wealth. For example, if you invest $500 per month for 10 years, you could have around $100,000 in your investment account, assuming an average annual return of 7%. However, investing in the stock market does come with risks. There may be periods where the market declines, and you could lose some or all of your investment. To mitigate this risk, it's essential to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can also consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. In addition to investing, you can also build wealth by paying off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can be costly and prevent you from achieving your financial goals. For example, if you have a credit card balance of $2,000 with an interest rate of 20%, you could be paying around $400 per year in interest alone. By paying off this debt, you can free up more money in your budget to save and invest. You can use the snowball method or the avalanche method to pay off your debt. The snowball method involves paying off your debts with the smallest balances first, while the avalanche method involves paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. For example, if you have two credit cards with balances of $1,000 and $2,000, and interest rates of 18% and 20%, respectively, you would pay off the credit card with the $1,000 balance first using the snowball method, and the credit card with the 20% interest rate first using the avalanche method. Finally, it's essential to have a long-term perspective when building wealth. Building a net worth of $100,000 before 30 requires discipline, patience, and persistence. You need to be willing to make sacrifices, such as cutting back on unnecessary expenses and putting in extra effort at work to increase your income. You also need to be patient and not get discouraged by setbacks or market fluctuations. By following these strategies and staying committed to your goals, you can achieve financial freedom and build a net worth of $100,000 before 30. In summary, the 3 key takeaways from this video are: create a budget and track your expenses to increase your assets and decrease your liabilities. Invest in the stock market to build wealth over time, but make sure to diversify your portfolio and mitigate risks. Pay off high-interest debt to free up more money in your budget to save and invest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance content. Like and comment below with your thoughts on building a net worth of $100,000 before 30.